I believe you're India's first male witch. Like you see spirits.
Yes. Just like
Are
I'm looking
serious?
at you.
Like since childhood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I was standing outside and waiting for you to come, the lights would flicker or they would go tick tick, and
Are
so
you serious?
this is something that happens. So this is probably the energy or aura or whatever, but this is usually the signal that I get. See,
You are actually scaring me. Are you serious?
I know.
Okay, but do you see a spirit here?
I did when I was so busy. This place is in the basement,
Yeah.
so that is why. So when I was coming down, I could see. So I said, okay, hi, and then I moved on.
You said hi to a spirit?
Yeah. So basically, जो spirit world होता है, they have a couple of rules. One of the rules is give and take. So if you want something,
are you
give
serious?
something.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So it usually happens. It's okay. My friends call me crazy.
Scared. Dr. Anuj, can you please tell them to just go from here?
Yeah. No. We won't have anything now.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay. Hi, Dr. Anuj. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you very much, Rashi. How are you?
I'm very well, and believe me, it's a very spooky morning, Saturday morning, and I was just thinking that I don't know what all I'm going to experience today with you.
Saturday is a good day, Rashi, because what we believe in our tradition is that Saturday negativity removal के लिए बहुत अच्छा दिन होता है.
Wow.
So it's very good.
Oh, great. Yeah. Okay, just to start with now, tell us about yourself. How did you start? What got you into this way? Like, आपने कैसे start किया? I believe you're India's first male witch.
Yeah, that I've been called that. Yes.
No, but the Google also says that.
Yeah.
When we Google witches, you're the first one who comes on the top.
Yeah.
And when I told my home today, I was talking to my husband and I told him I'm gonna meet a male witch. He gave me such a look. So what's happened is,
you male witches bhi hote hain. Yeah. So witch is a genderless word. It has no gender. A witch is a witch regardless of gender.
Yes.
So yeah, I am the first one in India who started practicing and everything, because I think 2008, 2009 I came back to India. I was in the UK. I used to live in Nottingham. Okay. Then I came here and I had learned everything there, and I came here and I started practicing and everything. So it's been 30 years walking my path, which I'm really, really happy and blessed about. I have always been a curious child since the age of 13. I started questioning. I was born into a different religion. Then I stopped practicing it. I still have the faith, but
what religion is that?
Christianity.
Okay.
But then I realized that there's more to it, and I can't really base my faith onto a religion that's it's based on blood and gore. So I need more. That's how the questioning started, and I thought maybe I should do more research, more, study more. So when I was in the UK, that's where I started, studying and everything. And then basically I started getting words to what I was doing, like definitions started phrasing in my mind and everything. Like? For example, I remember when I was very young, people used to come to me and ask me that, हमारा ये काम हो जाएगा या नहीं हो जाएगा. I had 3 rocks that I used to do something with and then tell them कि हाँ होगा कि नहीं होगा. I still have those rocks, by the way.
Wow.
So तो वो ऐसे मेरा नाम मतलब पहला कि एक बच्चा है वो ये करता है. हाँ. And ऐसे it started. जब मैं UK पहुंचा तब मुझे पता चला अच्छा इसे तो एलिमेंटल मैजिक कहते हैं. अच्छा. वो वर्ड्स मिलने मुझे शुरू हुए कि अच्छा ये जो मैं कर रहा हूँ इसको ये कहते हैं, ये कर रहा हूँ इसको ये कहते हैं. So that's how the research started, and then I met my high priestess. We were working in the same office, and then she saw me and she could see a lot of spirits behind me, because I am very, very lucky to born into a family of seers. My sister can see, my son can see, my mother could see. My granny could see, my great grandmother could see. So we are all seers. हम लोग जहाँ जाते हैं हमें कुछ ना कुछ कैद दिखता रहता है.
You're scaring me, man. Like, what do you mean by
that
this?
That is not the intent.
No, I understand. What do you exactly mean? See, like you see spirits.
Yes. Just like I'm looking at you.
Like since childhood.
Yeah, and it's not like what happens in the movies and everything, Okay. So whenever I am let's say for example I came here when I was standing outside and waiting for you to come. The lights could flicker or they would go tick tick, and
Are
So
you serious?
this is something that happens. So this is probably the energy or aura or whatever, but this is usually the signal that I get.
You are
See,
actually scaring me. Are you serious?
I know. I am.
So you see any spirit here?
I do. Not bad or anything.
Okay, but do you see a spirit here?
I did when I was so busy. This place is in the basement,
Yeah.
so that is why. So when I was coming down, I could see. So I said, "Okay, hi," and then I moved on.
You said hi to a spirit?
Yeah. What else am I supposed to do? So basically, जो spirit world होता है, they have a couple of rules. One of the rules is give and take. So if you want something,
are you
give
serious?
something.
Are you serious?
Yeah, so it usually happens. It's okay. My friends call
fucking
me crazy.
Scared. Dr. Anuj, can you please tell them to just go from here?
Yeah. No, we won't have anything now.
Okay.
It's fine.
Okay.
होता है, ऐसे होता है. It's quite natural. Okay. You should come with me to the graveyard course that I do. So I actually take people to the graveyard and I tell them about the graveyard and working. Then you would see more of spiritual activities.
And what is that course about?
The course is about understanding the working with the graveyard, because there are a lot of spells and rituals that are done inside the graveyard. Okay. So you have to understand. So each intersection, each crossroad within the graveyard itself means something. There are different spirits there. The intersection as in the graves. हाँ, वो जो चौराहे रहते हैं अंदर, चौराया तिराया, हाँ. तो वो रास्ते पे अलग वर्किंग होती है. Then if we are working with the old man's grave, then the working is different. If you're working at a soldier's grave, then the working is different. If you take the dirt from the feet, it's different. When you take the dirt from the center of the grave, it is different. If you take it from the head, it's different. It's a wonderful course. अच्छा. उसमें आओ, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ spiritual activity actually.
मैं आपको सही बोलूं, मेरी फट रही है. You are scaring me. But then people really do these courses.
Yeah.
Like, you mean the graveyard? Like
the graveyard, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is interesting. Maybe if I gather some guts, because I'm really scared of all these things.
Yeah, no, you'll be fine.
Okay. Okay, and you do that in the nights, like in the evenings?
In the evening, not really in the night, because then if I have a larger group, it'll get a little difficult for me to, safeguard everybody. So I prefer doing it in the evenings.
Oh, so could you share a case study, one of the courses, and something that you were not expecting and happened at that time?
The moment you said it, मुझे एक चीज याद आई. Graveyard course तो वो नहीं था, but then I had taken a random group of people to भानगढ़, जयपुर में. हाँ. और पहले तो हमें जाना नहीं था. And then ultimately, they kept on making the plan कि चलते हैं, and it kept on cancelling. And I said that, you know what, भानगढ़ के बारे में ये famous है. अगर if it calls you, only then you go. Otherwise, you can't. अच्छा. Then they said you are spiritual and you only talk like this, so तू तो बातें बना रहा है. I said no, ठीक है, तुम बनाते रहो. So 3 days we made the plan, and 3 days वो cancel होता रहा. चौथे दिन मैंने कहा कि आज हम जाएंगे भानगढ़. अच्छा. So they said कि आज हमारा मन ही नहीं, 3 दिन से हमारा दिमाग खराब हो गया. The plans are getting cancelled and everything. Yeah. So I don't know what happened. 4th day everybody got up कि चले फिर भानगढ़. मैंने कहा हाँ चलो आज चलो. So we went there finally and everything, and we took a lot of videos and photos and everything. और मैं pendulum लेके गया था to show them कि यहाँ spirit है, यहाँ spirit नहीं है and everything. And the pendulum would move, go right, left and everything. So ऐसे लटकता है pendulum, and it went straight like that, and it was in the air for like 6 seconds or 7 seconds or whatever. ऐसे इतने amazing हुआ. और जब हम वापस आए, हम लोग 8 लोग थे. किसी के फोन और कैमरा में ना एक वीडियो था, ना एक फोटो.
What are you talking?
Yeah.
Really?
Because I forgot to say the most important and crucial thing, and that was asking the spirits for permission.
अच्छा.
वो भूल गया था मैं.
तो आपको परमिशन लेनी पड़ती है. Then only you can click.
देखो वो हमारे जब वो हमारी रियल में इंटरफेयर नहीं कर रही, तो हम उनकी रियल में जबरदस्ती इंटरफेयर क्यों करें ना. So and if you are, then you have to ask for permission, because you have to make. किसी के घर जा रहे हो, आप पूछोगे नहीं उससे.
You know what I mean? अच्छी बात है ये. अगर आप किसी और सृष्टि में एंटर कर रहे हैं, तो you need to take permission.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Let's talk about special powers. Okay. क्या होती है special powers? और कैसे पता चलता है कि मेरे अंदर स्पेशल पावर है? Like you realized later on. Initially you were doing it.
Yeah.
Tell us.
You know, honestly speaking, special power वो होती है when you accept yourself the way you are.
Okay.
Because that has been the struggle with me for a very, very long time. So I started realizing my faith at the age of 13. And, you know, I could see spirits and, you know, talk to them. And my mother would get... So even though my mother was a medical professional, but she still had her faith, you know.
Okay.
But then the relatives and the pressure... And also, Rashi, I belong to a very, very famous Christian family of Delhi.
Acha.
And so we had a lot of pressure and everything. So मुझे ऐसा लगा कि relatives का pressure ज़्यादा था and everything, and I think my mother just gave into that. And you know, I was taken to Vimhans ashram में जो वो है the asylum and the hospital and everything. The doctor said that they're going to give me shocks and everything कि उस ज़माने में होता था. And then that, I think that's what freaked my mother and me both out. And then I came back and I told all my relatives that I can't see. मुझे कुछ नहीं दिखता, मैं ठीक हो गया. दवाइयाँ दी थी डॉक्टर्स ने. So that went on for about a year or so, but I just couldn't suppress it. So
I want to cut you here. By दिखना मतलब आपको human figures दिखते हैं?
Yeah, just like I'm looking at you. Exactly.
You can see a spirit like in any
yes,
form,
yes.
like a form, not any light or something.
देखिए राशि, spirit manifestation depends on the spirit, how they want to manifest. If they want to manifest like you, I will look at them like you. If they want to manifest into an orb, I will look at that. और फिर देखिए 4 या 5 clairs हैं, कोई सुन सकता है, कोई देख सकता है, कोई महसूस कर सकता है. You know, sometimes at the back of the neck, you know, you have that goosebump.
Yeah.
So that can be your loved ones just telling you that, you know, I'm here.
Okay. I'm already feeling it while you're saying. You know, it's like, okay, it's nice. Yeah. Okay.
So, you know, spirits क्या हैं spirits? हम जैसे ही लोग तो थे ना जो चले गए, you know, but my faith says that the spirit decides whether they want to move on, whether they want to reincarnate, or they want to stay with their loved ones as their guardian angels. So that's how guardian angels are made.
I was just coming to this, you know. Tell me something. Many a times while, you know, midnight when you're sleeping, I usually personally feel when I lie down on the bed, there is someone who's sitting on the bed with me.
The feeling of being watched.
No. No, that's a different feeling. Like,
okay.
You will feel, जैसे आप किसी सोफे में बैठते हैं और आपको वो एक ऐसे आता है ना कुछ दबा.
All right, okay.
Okay. So I normally feel that like I've lied down and there is someone who came and sat near my feet. Like nothing scary, but I just feel. तो मुझे बहुत बार लगता है मेरा डॉग है घर में, बच्चा है, तो वो कहीं जम गया, पर वो नहीं होता है.
Okay.
Why does it happen?
What is the exact feeling that you get when that happens?
Someone just came and sat next to me. That's all I feel.
That's all?
Yeah, I don't feel scared. I don't feel anything. I just say hello, okay, you're there. But it's not that I feel...
Do you acknowledge that?
I feel it. I won't say I acknowledge it. I feel it.
But in your head, do you acknowledge the presence?
Yeah, of course.
And how long it has been happening?
6-7 years.
6-7 years?
Yeah.
Which is definitely one of your loved ones.
Okay. Yeah, maybe. Maybe, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I feel that someone just came, and it's not that they're sitting on my head or on my, just near my feet. Yeah, near like, जैसे आप किसी गद्दे पे चलेंगे तो आपको वो दबाव आता है ना, कैसा दबाव आता है?
It has to be someone close to you, or you know, like an ancestor or someone.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What do I need to do something on that?
No, not really.
Okay.
Not really.
Okay.
If it is not harming you, you know. See, you have to understand that your house is your house.
Yeah.
You are in your element there, and you have the right. You can banish that entity whenever you want. All you have to do is just declare, this is my house, get out.
Oh. Okay.
You know?
Okay.
So हम वही बात कर रहे हैं special power. ये आपकी special power. You know, realizing that you have authority in your house. Issue हमारे साथ क्या है? A lot of people don't really acknowledge the spirit of the house. Every house has a spirit.
Okay.
आप मेरे घर आओगे, आपको एक अलग स्मेल आएगी. मैं आपके घर आऊंगा, मुझे एक अलग स्मेल. वो क्या है? खाने तो नहीं बन रहे हमारे घर में हर वक्त.
कोई ना बन रहे.
Right. या फिर हम एयर फ्रेशनर की, so I'm not talking about air freshener or air diffuser की महक.
There is a
that's artificial. This is scent of the house.
Yeah.
That is the spirit of the house. Achha. So people don't know how to feed it. People don't know how to seek protection from it. Because when you are in the house, you're supposed to be. मुझे लोग आके कहते हैं हम तो अपने घर में बैठे थे, हमें किसी ने नजर लगा दी. अरे वो दरवाजे से नजर आपके घर में आई कैसे? Why are you not safe in your own home? Because you are not feeding the spirit of the house.
And how does one do that?
There is a lot of ritual and practices involved and everything. आप chanting करते हो, protection barriers लगाते हो, and then in hoodoo what we do is we pour vodka on main door पे. Like in Hindu pantheon we would never do that. We probably put Ganga Jal या हम भगवान की चीज डालें, but in hoodoo we put vodka because alcohol cleanses. That way.
Okay. For people who don't know this, who exactly is a Wicca?
Wicca is a man-made religion. It is a religion. It is not a path. The beauty about Wicca is that you can practice Wicca, adopt Wicca with the existing religion that you are born into. You don't have to change. So there is no conversion happening here. Right? There was one gentleman called Gerard Gardner in the UK, and he is the one who started this religion. He made it. So there's a very famous story जब people come to me to study Wicca. मेरे जो Wicca का courses है वो लोग करने आते हैं. एक तो I don't know whether I should say this on the camera or not. I'm very picky and choosy. I take only one student in a year.
No, but it's perfect because
एक लो और एक को ढंग से सारी चीजें सिखाओ. Because I am going to go, but the legacy needs to be there, right? I mean, what are we leaving behind?
True.
मैं अमृत पी के आया नहीं. I eat and I'm going to die like the rest of us. When that happens, Wicca needs to stay alive.
So you call yourself a Wiccan?
I call myself a lot of things, Rajni.
No, but a person who's practicing Wicca
I don't do well with labels. But honestly speaking, I have studied Wicca. I've done my PhD in Wicca. My studies are in Wicca and everything. But I teach Wicca, but I don't practice Wicca. Reason behind that is because a lot of people study hoodoo. Now, hoodoo is an African American conjure practice. It's a practice. It is not a religion. It's a path that people choose. So you read about it, you study about it, and then you study. So मेरे लिए वो नहीं था. मेरे लिए वो घर का माहौल था. Because mummy was practicing, nani was practicing, badi nani was practicing, so it was passed down. And even my grandfather's side, my great grandmother was from Haiti. So she was an African native, an orphan lady who had come with the battalion to India. And then she got married, and then she adopted a Italian girl who was my grandmother. And that's how the legacy starts. So that's how the Haitian voodoo comes into my bloodline. And
so
that's how
is same like voodoo? No.
See, when the slave trade happened, a lot of slaves were brought up to Europe as well. So when they came, so that flux, that mixture of Catholicism with voodoo is what gave birth to voodoo. So voodoo भी दो तरीके का होता है. एक Haitian voodoo होता है और एक New Orleans voodoo होता है. So वो भी अलग है. So there's a lot of detail to it.
So ये जो voodoo dolls होती है, ये किस में practice होता है? Because that is what the general public would know, right?
Yes, I know. A lot of people मेरे से यही पूछते हैं लोग, आप voodoo doll बना के करोगे, फिर उसके हाथ टूट जाएंगे, पैर टूट जाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं होता बहन. दीदी ऐसे नहीं होता.
हाँ, मतलब actually में लोगों को यही पता है. What is the real thing? Let's say.
So what happens is, let's say for example, somebody comes to me और वो आकर के मुझे कहता है कि I want you to do a root work for me or a hoodoo working for me, जिससे मेरे रास्ते खुल जाए. So that is called road opener. So where you uncross the person and then you remove the blocks and unblocking करते हो and everything. So if I'm doing a voodoo ritual, then I will invoke the voodoo spirit of Legba. Papa Legba बोलते हैं जिन्हें. He is a master communicator. He can talk in any language. He dwells on the crossroad. So वो invoke किया जाता है, उनको ritual उनका किया जाता है, उनको offerings दी जाती हैं. There is a set way that you do it. वो it's very detailed and everything.
I understand.
वहाँ पे मैं उस इंसान का एक डॉल बनाऊंगा, उस डॉल के अंदर I will put herbs related to uncrossing, herbs related to opening the road and everything, and then some crystals and essential oils and picture of the person with the name and date of birth, because the effigy needs to belong to that sympathetic magic basically. And then the intention, and then my focus and intention will say that this is not a doll, this is that person. Whatever I'm going to do to the doll is going to happen to that. So we pray a lot of chants and everything, and then you infuse the energy, and then you tell the doll that all your roads are open, and that's how that person's roads are open. So there's no black magic, gray magic, white magic, pink magic happening. Magic is magic. Magic has no color. The practitioner gives it color. मैं 30 साल से बोल रहा हूँ ये.
बहुत अच्छी बात है ये, बहुत अच्छी बात है जो आपने बोली.
A person can come to me and I can do any shit. You know what I mean? वो तो faith लेके आया है मेरे पास कि आप ये कर दोगे, मेरे रास्ते खोल दो. मैं ही हूँ जो उसको बोलूंगा, एक हीलर ही है जो उसको बोलेगा मुझे ऐसा लगता है किसी ने आपका बांधा है. अगर हम ये बंधन उठा के उसके ऊपर डाल दें तो आपके रास्ते खुल जाएंगे. और मैं ही हूं जो उसे दूसरा ऑप्शन भी देगा कि हम आपकी क्लेंजिंग करते हैं, आपके रास्ते खोलते हैं, जिसकी जो एनर्जी है वो उसके पास जाए, वो जाने, उसका फेथ जाने, उसका भगवान जाने.
Very nice.
Because healers in this country have unfortunately forgotten that we are humans. They have the God syndrome. That's wrong.
Very well said. Very well said. खुद को भगवान मान लेते हैं, सोचते हैं कि पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं.
भाई दाल चावल तुम भी खा रहे हो, दाल चावल हम भी खा रहे हैं, तुम भी सांस ले रहे हो, हम भी सांस ले रहे हैं, तुम भी मरोगे, हम भी मरेंगे. फिर हम भगवान कैसे हो गए? How can somebody on the internet scam people by saying that मैं आपका काम 100% कर दूंगा? कैसे?
आप बेवकूफ बनाते हैं.
हाँ. So राशि, मेरे पास लोग आते हैं जो they give me insane amounts that they have been scammed of. Insane freaking amounts. 10-10 लाख रुपए लुटा चुके हैं लोग.
होता है, मैं मतलब सुनते हैं हम लोग भी बहुत.
हाँ, and then I'm like कि क्यों करना है आपने ये? 10 लाख रुपए क्या मतलब कमाने में मेहनत नहीं लगी थी क्या आपकी कि आपने उठा करके किसी को दे दिए? So जो सबसे पहले ये कह रहा है ना कि मैं 100% आपका काम करूंगा, दूर भाग जाओ. 100% नहीं हो सकता. देखिए मेरे जैसे लोग ना भगवान के शायद थोड़ा सा करीब है आपसे, लेकिन है हम भी इंसानी. वो शायद हमारी सुन ले, आपकी नहीं. तो the first line that when people come to me I tell them is I'm going to give it my 200%. I can't promise everything because healing is like operation. You operate a body, you cut through it, and then you find 10,000 faults. Which one are you going to rectify? It's going to take time.
Yeah.
There is no जादू की चप्पी happening here. ऐसे नहीं होता कुछ भी.
So this is completely different when we talk about the practice that you're talking about is different from black magic, right? This black magic is separate.
Black magic is separate, yes. Black magic देखो मैं तो मानता ही नहीं कि black magic होता है.
अगर आप सोशल मीडिया पे जाए ना अनुज, आप देखेंगे वहां पे पता नहीं क्या गंद आता है. Honestly, they're doing this, they're making a doll, वो बांध दिया, ये दिखा दिया. लेकिन मेरे को ये आपसे क्लैरिटी इस पॉडकास्ट पे चाहिए कि ब्लैक मैजिक और किसी और आप तंत्र बोले या कोई भी आप स्पिरिचुअल हीलिंग बोले, उसमें क्या फर्क है? कैसे पता चले फर्क? होता भी है ब्लैक मैजिक? पहले ये बताओ.
होता है. बिल्कुल होता है.
तंत्र
के बारे में तो देखिए मैं ज्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट प्रैक्टिस. I do little bit here and there, but मैं qualified नहीं. Talking about black magic, हाँ definitely black magic होता है, बिल्कुल होता है. voodoo में ही होता है. There is a ritual that we call the zombie curse.
Zombie curse.
हाँ, it's called the zombie curse because so there are certain herbs and everything. You grind them together. You make sure that the loa spirits in voodoo are called loa.
Okay.
So they possess the herbs and everything, and when you blow it on the person actually becomes a zombie. So ये है वशीकरण. तो ये होता है, बिल्कुल होता है. मैं करूं नहीं करूं वो तो मेरी चॉइस है ना यार. और मैं क्यों कर रहा हूं? देखिए वुडू डज नॉट बिलीव इन द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ कर्मा. कर्मा इज अ हिंदू बिलीफ. वुडू इज नॉट हिंदू. सो लोग यहाँ पे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि ये कर्मा आएगा. क्यों आएगा कर्मा? जब मैं कर्मा में बिलीव ही नहीं करता तो कर्मा कैसे आएगा? कर्मा इज फॉर फेंट हार्टेड. नरक स्वर्ग यही है. यहीं पे मिलेगा आपको नरक भी और यहीं पे मिलेगा आपको स्वर्ग भी.
let's go a little technical. Magic is one thing.
Right.
White, black doesn't matter.
Right.
Magic and science. How well they are, woven with each other. What is the difference?
There is not much of a difference, honestly speaking. You will be surprised to know how many doctors and lawyers and even judges are my clients. And
they do what?
They do a lot of things. They do voodoo. They would do anything to get what they want and everything. So, बहुत तरीके की रिचुअल्स होते हैं, क्रियाएं होती हैं जो हम लोग करते हैं. So yeah, that happens.
Tell me something. How does it make out उस पे black magic हुआ है? कैसे पता चलता है?
Yeah, ये hot selling है ना इंटरनेट पे. सब लोग मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है हर किसी को black magic हो रहा है.
भाई मुझ पे तो हुआ है, इसलिए I'm asking you. There is someone who sent something to me. I've been asking many healers about it because kahin na kahin the relation is so close that I don't want to believe. But what happened with me? Somebody sent me a gift, a mithai. It
White.
had. I didn't open the mithai. The dabba came to me, and because I want you to use your special powers to see what has happened with me, and it had some kind of a mud, which I supposedly understand it was gobar, okay, which was under the box, and it had some red and white things in it. I touched it because I could not understand what's there,
right.
And I understood there was some rice, there was some whiteness in it, and the box was not leaving me, Anuj.
Wasn't leaving you?
No, I mean, so I called that,
person
relative of mine that what is it in this, and she said that you throw it away. So I thought that why have you given it to me if I had to throw it away?
Right.
So I tried throwing it and I could not throw it. It wasn't leaving me. It came to my home till the ground floor. I stay in the second floor. Ground floor, because I do a lot of healings in my home and I do a lot of puja part, it couldn't come up. I gave it at the ground floor to the guard. But when I came home, I was down with 104 fever for 2 days. I was perfectly fine. And then I went to the temple, and you know how mothers are.
Yeah.
Hanuman Mandir jao, ye karo, wo karo.
Right.
Did all that. But I am scared till date. Can you tell me what is this?
I'll tell you what I know, and I'll tell you what I could see and understand from what you are saying. वाकई में था उसमें.
हाँ. ये रियल में हुआ है मेरे साथ.
तो मैं genuinely बताता हूँ जो मुझे feel हुआ है. ठीक है. See, I'll tell you what I can see, what I can understand. जो मुझे दिखा अभी, मैं आपको वो समझाता हूँ. सबसे पहले तो मुझे ये दिखा कि it was a yellow color box, right?
Okay.
And then I saw you giving it to the guard, जो एक high table के पीछे खड़ा वो brown color की है.
हाँ.
वो आपने उसको दिया है. उसके बाद वो जो एनर्जी थी वो आपके साथ ऊपर क्या है गई है, बट इट कुड नॉट एंटर योर हाउस. देखिए गोबर था, चावल थे, रोली थी, ये सब चीजें जो होती है, मैं हमेशा लोगों को बोलता हूँ सफेद चीजें किसी से मत लो, मिठाई सफेद किसी से मत लो. अगर आप ले रहे हो तो ऑलवेज स्निफ इट. अगर उसके अंदर से महक आ रही है पूजा की तो उस पर क्रिया हुई हुई है, कुछ ना कुछ जरूर किया गया है, वो मत लो. लेकिन कई बार ऐसा होता है आप इतना अनअवॉइडेबल सिचुएशन होती है आप मना नहीं कर सकते, बुरा नहीं लग जाए या ये. तो सबसे पहले जिसने आपको दिया और आपको शक है कि इसके अंदर कुछ है उसी को खिला दो. वो इमीडिएटली वहीं पे कट जाएगा. Now because you practice a lot of healing, you do a lot of barrier protection in your house, it could not enter your house. But then वो फिर भी it latched onto your aura somehow because एक vulnerable moment कोई आया होगा and it latched onto your aura and that's how you got the 104 temperature.
Yeah.
Do you agree? Do you not agree?
I agree, and till date I'm not at peace. I mean, I get such dreams. It's happening with me at night. It's been like almost, I think, 3-4 months now. So, and whenever I get hold of a healer or anybody who's spiritual, I ask them, why does this happen to me? So
have people told you similar?
Yeah, people have told me majorly things. Someone told me they've done Maran Kriya on you. They want to kill you.
No, Maran ऐसे नहीं होता है.
Someone told me कि आपका काम बंद करने के लिए था, आपको बिठाने के लिए था. Someone told me कि आपको बीमार करने के लिए था. सबका अलग-अलग view है. But they all believe me कि they can see this, They can see this, and I don't know, but okay, Dr. Anuj, what are Sabbaths?
Sabbaths are Wiccan festivals.
Okay.
There are 8.
Okay.
और अभी जिसे आप लोग हैलोवीन कहते हैं,
हाँ
हम लोग विका में उसे सोइन कहते हैं.
हाँ सोए.
So 31st of October and it's our new year. It's called the Witches New Year. तो
Okay.
हम लोग का न्यू ईयर शुरू होता है उस पे and it's a बहुत बहुत मुबारक माना जाता है उसे, because the goddess that we work with, her name is Hecate,
Okay.
the goddess of the crossroad, the goddess of the underworld. We work with her and we work with a lot of ancestors. So
Okay.
basically वो उस दिन वेल हटा देती हैं, जला देती हैं फ्रॉम स्पिरिचुअल और हमारे के बीच में. तो
Okay.
कोई बैरियर नहीं होता,
अच्छा.
तो वो आ सकते हैं. इसीलिए आप देखो हैलोवीन में लोग पंपकिन क्यों रखते
हाँ
हैं,
क्यों रखते हैं? उसका
क्योंकि
मतलब.
वो हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल है.
अच्छा.
तो उस समय हार्वेस्ट होता था, पंपकिन आता था.
हाँ.
बट देन अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट नो कि लोग पंपकिन कार्व करके अंदर मोमबत्तियां लगा के अपने घर के बाहर रखते थे.
हाँ.
राइट, आज भी लोग रखते हैं, राइट,
हम्म.
रखते हैं, लेकिन उनको रियली उनका मतलब नहीं पता है.
हम्म.
द रीजन व्हाई इट इज डन इज क्योंकि आप अपने पितरों को, अपने एंसेस्टर्स को रास्ता दिखाते हो, ये आपका घर है, आ जाओ.
ओह.
दैट्स व्हाई इट इज डन.
अच्छा.
देखिए, हिंदू रिलीजन में एक सेट ड्यूरेशन होता है जब आप, एंड आई हैव स्पोकन अबाउट दिस इन, देयर इज अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, ही इज डन हिज आईआईटी कानपुर में कुछ पेपर किया था उसने, एंड ही कोटेड मी इन द पेपर आल्सो. तो मैं वही चीज बोलूंगा कि हिंदुइज्म में एक सेट पीरियड होता
हाँ.
है
हाँ.
जब आप अपने पितरों की पूजा करते हैं.
जी.
वो चीज वुडू में 24/7 है,
हर वक्त.
365 days.
ओह. ओके.
That is exactly what we do. We work with ancestors.
Okay.
You
And
know?
ancestors also spirits.
Ancestors and spirits. अब मेरे दादाजी चले गए तो स्पिरिट बन गए, तो वो मेरे
हाँ.
एंसेस्टर हैं.
Hmm.
बट विका में सिर्फ इसी टाइम पे, सॉइन के टाइम पे ही आप स्पिरिट्स के साथ काम करते हैं. एंसेस्टर ऑल्टर सेटअप करते हैं. जैसे
Hmm.
मम्मी मेरे गए तो मैंने उनके लिए ऑल्टर सेटअप किया. वी डू समथिंग कॉल्ड अ डम सपर.
Hmm.
अ डम सपर इज जब आप खाने की टेबल पे बैठते हो, डाइनिंग टेबल पे,
Hmm.
तो आप एक प्लेट उनकी भी लगाओगे,
ओह.
बाकायदा खाना दिया जाएगा, सबको दिया जाएगा. That's called a dumb supper.
और अगर कोई कहीं पे भी डिनर्स पे जाए या घर पे बैठे
हम्म.
और कुदरत से एक प्लेट हमेशा एक्स्ट्रा लगे,
हम्म.
व्हाट डज इट मीन?
Which means कि आपका कोई ना कोई ancestor as a guardian angel आपके साथ हमेशा है,
हम्म.
और आप unknowingly उसे feed कर रहे हो, which is a great thing. It's good to feed the spirits.
But you don't put the food on the plate. That's okay.
नहीं, existence आपने acknowledge कर दी. It's always good to put food on the plate.
Okay.
आप देखो कई traditions में ये भी होता है, लोग fruits और cheese ये सब उठा करके घर के बाहर रख देते हैं.
Hmm.
तो वो क्यों रखते हैं? In Europe especially.
Hmm.
That's for the ancestors. And also Hecate, the goddess that we work with, she has a dog,
Hmm.
the three-headed dog.
Hmm.
उसके लिए हम लोग Hecate Deafenon होता है, एक एस्बैथ है. मतलब सो सैबथ्स होते हैं विका में और एस्बैथ्स होते हैं, 21 एस्बैथ्स होते हैं, 8 सैबथ्स होते हैं. ये सेलिब्रेशंस हैं, फेस्टिविटीज हैं, मून फेजेस के हिसाब से चलता है विका एक्चुअली, सीजन ऑफ द साइकिल के साथ.
Okay.
अगर चांद कम हो रहा है तो मैं एक सेट स्पेल्स करूंगा, चांद बढ़ रहा है तो मैं एक सेट स्पेल करूंगा, फुल मून है तो एक तरीके के स्पेल्स होंगे, नो मून है, अमावस्या, तो एक तरीके के स्पेल्स होंगे. इट्स लाइक दैट. विका इज complicated yet very very interesting.
Spells क्या होते हैं?
Spells, rituals,
जैसे मुझे किसी ने बोला, मेरी फ्रेंड ने, मेरे पे किसी ने स्पेल किया है. What does it mean?
जादू, आम शब्दों में.
अच्छा. Black magic.
नहीं,
Any
magic.
kind of magic.
Any kind of magic.
तो it can be good and it can be bad both.
Yes.
Oh.
Yes.
और इसके रिचुअल्स होते हैं.
हाँ, इसके लिए रिचुअल किए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं किसी की रोड ओपनर करने के लिए, क्योंकि देखिए रोड ओपनर मेरा सबसे ज्यादा लोग मांगते हैं, और यू नो आई हैव गूगल रिव्यूज वेयर इन पीपल हैव सेड कि कोविड में सबका काम बंद था, हमारा चल रहा था क्योंकि हमने रोड ओपनर कराया, सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. बट लेट मी टेल यू, रोड ओपनर का मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ कि अगर मैं किसी की रोड खोल सकता हूँ तो मुझे रोड बंद करना भी तो आता है. पर you know, it's just
by
my
choice.
Yeah. Whether you have to think about a lot of things. आप किसी के रोड बंद कर रहे हो तो is it worth?
It's not good.
You know, it's not good or it's not bad पे तो मैं जाता ही नहीं, क्योंकि again there is no karma, right? It's just my own judgment. I will not believe you just because you're telling me that person is bad to you. I don't know you. I have to ask my spirits. I have to ask my tarot, because मेरे टैरो रीडिंग भी थोड़ी डिफरेंट है राशि, मैं आपको बताऊं, बिकॉज आई
Let's
डू अ
hear.
लॉट ऑफ स्पिरिट वर्क इन माय टैरो.
Okay, what is that?
So I have a spirit that I work with through my tarot. When I
Okay.
pull out cards, the spirit talks to me in my ear, and that is the answer that I give.
Okay.
So
Are you carrying your tarot cards just now?
No. Should I?
Yeah. We could have done a live here.
Next podcast.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll do
Okay.
live readings for people,
Okay.
spirit readings.
Okay, so you mean to say that the tarot card reading that you do are the spirits reading that you do?
Yes.
Is it like that?
Yeah.
Okay, and tell us a case study.
Okay. This is very common.
Okay.
What happens is जब मैं किसी की रीडिंग करने बैठता हूँ तो if they've had a departed loved ones, they will come forth.
Okay.
So I will do the reading. I will answer what they are saying. पर देखो आपकी रीडिंग कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे continuously साथ में कोई खड़ा हुआ दिख रहा है. It's distracting for me also. And then they keep giving me visuals and scenes and they're making gestures and stuff like that because they want. So they're happy that here is somebody who can see me. तब ये देख सकता है तो यार हमारा मैसेज भी दे दे. You know what I mean? तो I tell them that you know what I see is ऐसे ऐसे लुक है, ऐसे बाल हैं, ऐसे कपड़े दिखते हैं, ऐसा विजुअल दिख रहा है मुझे. Who is this? So then they'll say कि वो ये थे, वो थे. Sometimes they recognize 10%, probably 5% they don't recognize. When they don't recognize, then it's a disappointment for me कि ये कौन है भाई, फिर कौन आया है? So then I tell the spirit that if you're not related, go away because I will not pay attention to you. I'm going to concentrate on this. I'll talk to you later. So I car park them basically. And then again, 5% of the time, they will call me back and they say कि हमें याद आ गया वो कौन है.
Oh.
But it's never wrong.
Acha. So tell me something. It's something very personal I'm sharing with you. I belong to Lucknow. I lost my brother 3 years back, 2.5 years back.
I'm so sorry for your loss.
Yeah, I mean, he was young. It's just 1 year, 1.5 years older to me. Young guy. So wherever I go to Lucknow, I whether I go by the air or I go by train, I see him on the scooter or on a mobile or two-wheeler. Let's put it like that. And he will, all of a sudden, I will see that he's in front of my car and he's showing me the way. Because every time I used to go, initially he used to come to take me to Lucknow, like whenever like behan aayi hai,
Right.
So, and we used to fight a lot, of course, but whenever I will go, Anuj, I will see one figure exactly like him from the back. And he's like showing the way and he's going. And after a while, he will, once I'm close to the home, he will just not be there.
Isn't that beautiful though?
It's beautiful. Initially, I used to be I used to feel a little weird.
Right.
I used to tell my mom कि मैं घर में आती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है कि दीवारों में रोने की आवाज आ रही है. She got the house painted. You know how moms are, like इसको लगता होगा.
Right.
But now I feel I look forward to it. So is it weird or this is good?
No, it's not weird. See, देखो spirit manifestation है ये.
Achha.
Because was he living in Lucknow?
Yeah.
Right.
Same house.
So that's why the spirit manifested itself in front of you visually.
Yeah.
Right? So whenever you go to Lucknow, you see him. Apparition दिखता है.
And I see him in that particular thing.
Great.
On a scooter.
Now rest of the year, when you are not in Lucknow, who do you think is sitting on your bed?
I don't know.
It's him.
Oh.
मैंने आपको बोला था पहले.
So he waits.
कि आप वो जो बैठ रहा है वो आपका कोई ancestor है. Somebody close to you, somebody loved ones to you. And I genuinely believe it is him.
He must be coming to safeguard me.
No, I think the soul has decided to become your guardian angel. That's how it is.
Yeah, maybe.
Were you guys very close?
So we, because of the age thing, we've grown up together.
Right.
The younger one is quite.
So how siblings are?
Our siblings
are you three?
Yeah, we are 3 of us. So there's a younger brother, he's my elder brother. And but this sitting on the bed is not like every day. It's like in months.
हाँ,
maybe when I'm.
वो बता रहा है ना वो आसपास है, उतना ही काफी है. आपको ज्यादा क्यों जाना है? तो आपने मेरे से पूछा कि should I do anything to get rid of it? I said no.
हाँ, it's not.
क्योंकि वो presence आपसे बात कर रहे हैं, I'm not saying it for the camera.
Yeah.
I'm just genuinely talking to you. वो जब आपने बात करी वो presence मुझे peace वाली presence आई.
हाँ.
तो वो ही है. तो बता रहा है आपके साथ है. Nothing harm can come to you. if you are being washed over by one of your loved ones.
Yeah, and
वो कुछ
believe.
गलत ही नहीं होने देंगे। और एक और मैं बताऊं, जब हमारे लव्ड वन चले जाते हैं तो यार मेरी फुप्पो तो बड़ी चुड़ैल थी,
हाँ.
अब पता नहीं वो मेरा भला करेगी, मेरे साथ क्यों चिपकी हुई है। और
हम्म.
वो रिश्ते नाते, वो फीलिंग, वो इश्यूज सब कुछ यहीं रह जाते हैं, स्पिरिट्स के पास नहीं होते ये। उनके लिए आप सिर्फ आप उनके एंसेस्टर हो। ये मेरी नीस है, मैं इसके पास आई हूँ, मैं इसका ध्यान रखूंगी। जिंदगी में मैं कैसी थी वो तो स्पिरिट सोचती ही नहीं है, ये तो हम सोच रहे हैं ना।
What is देवता लगा देंगे? I really want to know.
पहाड़ियों से पूछ रहा आप, देवता लगा देंगे बड़ा ही मैनिपुलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट है आजकल के जमाने में कि लोगों को ये लगता है ये पहाड़ी है, ये जादू टोना करेगा और देवता लगा देगा। ऐसे देवता नहीं लगते। मैं आपको बताऊं, हमारे देवता होते ही इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं कि आप अगर हमारे साथ कुछ गलत करोगे तो आपका खराब होगा।
अच्छा,
इसीलिए देखिए हमारे उत्तराखंड में ये बोलते हैं कि रात में तेज खुशबू लगा के, बाल खोल के, पोखर के पास नहीं जाना है, मतलब छोटा नदी जैसा रहता है, वहां पे वाटर बॉडीज उनके पास नहीं जाता, वहां मसाण लग जाते हैं। तो दैट्स लाइक द इविल वर्जन ऑफ। और देवता तो देखो हमारे पितृ हैं, नरसिंह भगवान हमारे यहाँ खूब पूजे जाते हैं, जागरें लगती हैं। यू नो व्हाट अ जागर इज?
नो, आई डोंट नो।
जागर में बेसिकली इन लेमन्स वर्ड आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, कुछ गलती हो जाए तो माफ कर दे लोग मुझे, बट उसमें देवता पोजेस करते हैं।
अच्छा,
जैसे भगवती की जागर लगी है, नरसिंह महाराज की जागर लगी है किन्हीं की, तो वो लोग बकायदा जो जागरी होता है उसको पोजेस करते हैं, एंड देन यू कैन आस्क देम एनीथिंग और फिर देवता आंसर देता है। इसे तो इस तरीके से वो ना बात मैनिपुलेट हो गई कि पहाड़ी तो देवता लगा देते हैं। इतना आसान नहीं होता देवता लगाना।
Of course you must be
there's a lot of things that gets into it, and then and there's a lot of offering that is given and everything like that.
Dr. Anuj, what are portals?
What are portals?
Yeah.
Portals are okay. So जैसे 31st of October सोविन सेलिब्रेट किया हमने, हेकेटी ने वेल हटा दी। 4 तारीख आते आते 4 नवंबर आते आते उन्होंने वेल बंद कर दी।
अच्छा।
स्पिरिट वर्ल्ड में चला गया, हम लोग अपने वर्ल्ड में आ गए। नाउ देयर इज अ बैरियर, आसानी से कोई जा नहीं सकता। बट पीपल लाइक अस, स्पेशली मी, पीपल हु प्रैक्टिस यू नो व्हाट आई प्रैक्टिस, हम लोग कभी भी वो पोर्टल खोल सकते हैं और हम वहां जा सकते हैं, अपना काम करते हैं, वापस आते हैं।
Okay.
That's a portal. It's a gateway. वो एक रास्ता है।
So there was a post that I saw where you were saying that enter the 1111 portal. What is that?
These are energy manifestations. ये बहुत amazing है। पहले unfortunately लोगों को पता नहीं होता था इनके बारे में, but अब लोगों को because of internet, you know, people are quite aware of it. ये स्पेशल एनर्जी अलाइनमेंट्स होती हैं जहाँ पे वो पोर्टल खुद ब खुद खुल जाते हैं।
अच्छा।
And whenever whatever you manifest, it comes true. I mean, you can get in touch with people like me and get rituals done. If you don't have the time and you're busy and everything, you can just easily pay somebody and get it done. Honestly,
what kind
lack
of
like 111 रिचुअल हो गया या 222 रिचुअल हो गया, लायंस गेट पोर्टल हो गया, ये सब बहुत फेमस हो रहा है अभी इंटरनेट के ऊपर। और अगर आप नहीं कर सकते तो आप अपनी खुद फेथ और श्रद्धा से मैनिफेस्ट कर लो, वो हो जाएगा। मैनिफेस्टेशन इज अ ह्यूज थिंग। देखिए आई हैव टर्न माय लाइफ 360 डिग्री अराउंड मैनिफेस्टेशन से। तो जब पैदा हुआ था तो मैं भी वैसे ही पैदा हुआ था, सारी दुनिया जब पैदा, सुरखाब के पर लगा के पैदा नहीं हुआ था मैं। You know what I mean?
Yeah.
तो जब मैं कर सकता हूँ तो बाकी दुनिया भी कर सकती है।
Dr. Anuj, like let's understand from a person like me who's a layman. Okay. Now, I will just randomly get up at night, and this is true. I will see 333. 3:33 रात को कुछ नहीं, सोकर उठी हूँ, फोन उठाया, and it's there, and then I will switch it off and I will pray for a minute, because of course इतना सुन के तो पता चल गया कुछ मांग लो,
right?
या thank you कर दो।
But do you ask?
I normally say भगवान तेरा शुक्राना है, that's all I say।
ठीक
है। Then I will randomly do, I'm usually very busy and I will just pick up my phone or on laptop, see 444.
Money manifestation.
I don't know, but I see this
444 333 222 111.
मैं तो सारे दिन busy।
Spiritual awakening है, and in witches we say synchronicity is thy middle name.
Okay.
So हम लोग जहाँ जाते हैं हमारे साथ synchronicities चलती हैं। Okay. For example, I have noticed that whenever I will travel, there is there are a lot of crows that follow me.
Crows.
हाँ,
Okay.
crows protection है. It comes from Morrigan, the goddess Morrigan.
What happens over there?
Nothing happens. It's just a sign of the goddess telling me that I'm protecting you. You travel. I'm with you.
And I have a friend. There's a question which needs to be answered.
Okay.
She says that whenever she is at the mall or she's gone to a restaurant or even though she's eating at home, she gets to see a hair.
Hair?
A hair. One hair.
Where?
In the food.
Okay.
Every time. It can be on her dining table, or maybe she's having a pizza from McDonald's or anywhere, or maybe she's just anywhere at some party. She will find a hair in her drink or food. What does it mean?
And it's not hers?
It's not hers.
Because I have to rule out the mundane. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I don't think
she has hair fall or anything like that. Nothing.
Yeah, but it can't happen all the time.
It can.
It can?
It can.
Okay.
See, देखो.
But
everything is not magical. ऐसा होता है. I'm coming to that.
Yeah.
But everything is not magical. I have to rule out the mundane. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to understand. If it's not hers and if it's happening every time, then it's not good. She needs to get it checked and removed. That's black magic.
What can it be?
That is black magic. 100%.
Even eating at a restaurant?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Because it wasn't there. It appeared magically. उसको घर की सफाई करे on a Saturday. सोफो के अंदर से देखो उसको गुच्छा मिलेगा बालों का. बताना आप मुझे.
पूछूंगी मैं. Scary, man.
It is, because you have no idea, Rashi, what lengths people will go to.
Yeah.
The kind of crap messages that I get, na? I mean, not scammers or anything that I'm talking about. Genuinely wanting to get shit done to people. क्या आप ये कर सकते हो, वो कर सकते हो, क्यों कर रहा है तुमने, क्यों, और कोई काम नहीं है तुम्हारे पास.
What is soul selling?
That is different working altogether. That is Satanism.
Okay.
And that is demonology, wherein you do pacts with these, malignant spirits.
Okay.
Spirits below, hell में होती हैं ये. उनके साथ आप deals करते हो, packages करते हो, and then you sell your soul to them. And then they give you all the riches and glory and whatever you ask for. Has it happened to one of my near people? Have I seen it? Yes, I have. Do I do it? No. I will not sell my soul to anyone. It's too expensive. I want to come back to the earth. There's a friend of mine.
What do you mean by that? Come back to the earth? I mean, you're just hanging in the air. If you're selling your soul, I really want to know this.
See, when you have sold your soul, your name is you're destined to go to hell. Okay. Now understand this, that hell is a very Christian concept. But then so is Satanism. वो भी तो Christianity से ही निकल के आया है ना. You believe in God because you believe in Satan. You believe in Satan because you believe in God. आप God हटा दो, Satan नहीं है. Satan हटा दो, God नहीं है. अच्छा है तो बुरा है ना, और बुरा है तो अच्छा है. Right? So you are destined to go to hell. You're doomed for eternity. That way. And we are very lucky कि हम human पैदा हुए हैं. Let's just do good to the society. When you do good to the society, automatically good happens to you. All the riches, all the glory, all the abundance, it's right here. You should just know how to grab it and acquire it for yourself. मैं तो फिर वही कहता हूँ, मैं कर सकता हूँ तो आप क्यों नहीं कर सकते? I was from a very humble background, और मैं हमेशा ये चीज घूम फिर के निकल ही आती है किसी को पॉडकास्ट के ऊपर. मैंने हमेशा ये बोला कि मैंने वो दिन देखे हैं राशि जब हम 4 लोग थे घर में, और हमारे घर में एक कटोरी दाल थी इतनी छोटी सी, उसके अंदर हमने ढेर सारा पानी डाल के सूप बना के सो गए थे, मम्मी पापा मैं मेरी बहन, और हमें ये नहीं पता था हम सुबह क्या खाएंगे, हमारे पास पैसे नहीं थे. अगले दिन शादी का न्योता आया और पूरे हफ्ते हम लोगों ने शादी का खाना खाया. उसके बाद सैलरी आ गई मम्मी पापा की, और फिर घर में राशन आ गया. मुझे आप ये बताइए, किसी घर में शादी का न्योता जाता है तो 3-4 दिन पहले, हफ्ते भर पहले जाता है, आगे सेम डे नहीं आता. वो कैसे आया? क्योंकि मेरा जो बिलीफ है ना, मेरा जो फेथ है, वो ये कहता है कि गुरैया देखी आपने, गुरैया चिड़िया, वो सुबह सुबह उठती है, चीची 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 करती है. मेरा ये बिलीफ कहता है वो चीची करके ना उसको बोल रही होती है हम उड़ गए, हमें खाना खिला. तो मेरे और आप जैसे ही लोग ना बाहर जाके बाजरा डाल देते हैं, दाना डाल देते हैं, बचा हुआ खाना डाल देते हैं. वो आती हैं, खाती हैं और चली जाती हैं. देखो, वो किसी के घर में आपको मरी हुई नहीं मिलेगी गुरैया कभी भी, क्योंकि वो खाना खा रही है. ऊपर वाला ही इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ देम. वो जॉब नहीं करती, कॉर्पोरेट्स में काम नहीं करती, उनके बैंक अकाउंट्स नहीं, उनके पास क्रेडिट कार्ड नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी खा रही है ना। तो जब वो उनको देख सकता है तो मुझे क्यों नहीं देख सकता? It's not my problem that I don't have money. It is his problem that I don't have money.
Dr. Anuj, while you were speaking, I want to share something with you, and I wanted to give you insight into on the thing that I'm about to tell you. So, मेरा बेटा बैंगलोर में था, उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया, बहुत गंदा वाला, सड़क पे था 2 घंटा, मतलब रात को 3 बजे कॉल आया, मैं बैंगलोर गई, ठीक हो गया, वहाँ पे निमहैंस है, वहाँ पे उसकी सर्जरी हुई, जो भी, तो डॉक्टर ने हमें बोला ये एक पॉइंट से वेजिटेबल बन सकता था, कोई शक्ति ने उसको बचाया है, बिकॉज वी आर गॉड फियरिंग पीपल, और हम कभी भी पहले कभी किसी को जवाब भी नहीं देते, वी आर दैट काइंड ऑफ पीपल, बोथ मी एंड माय हस्बैंड। तो खैर बच्चे के साथ रहना था बैंगलोर में, फर्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज, तो बैंगलोर में मैं जा रही, तो नॉर्मली चर्चेस की अगर बात करेंगे तो जीसस क्राइस्ट की चर्च होते हैं, मदर मेरी की चर्च बहुत कम होते हैं। बैंगलोर में एक चर्च है जहाँ पे हम रुके थे, जिस गेस्ट हाउस में, उसके बगल में ही था, बिल्कुल लाइक जस्ट नेक्स्ट टू इट, एंड इट्स अ मदर मेरी चर्च। द मदर मेरी इज देयर एंड होल्डिंग जीसस इन द थिंग, एंड अंदर भी वो मदर मेरी की ही स्थापना है, एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल चर्च, एंड जैसे ओल्ड जैसे कैथीड्रल्स जैसे होते हैं वैसे। तो मुझे किसी ने बोला, कोई फ्रेंड से, कि अच्छा चर्च के बगल में रुकिए तो जाके कैंडल जला के आओ। तो आई फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन टू यू इज, चर्च में कैंडल्स क्यों जलाते हैं? ओके, नाउ सेकंड, आई वेंट एंड एवरी डे, तो जस्ट लाइक नेक्स्ट डोर, तो मैं रोज ही चली जाती थी शाम को, रोज कैंडल जलाया, वहाँ पे उनका मेडिटेशन रूम था, वहाँ बैठती थी, पीछे उनकी वो ओल्ड सिमेट्री थी, तो वहाँ भी कभी कभी ऐसे लोग जाते थे तो देख लेते थे, एंड सो जैसे मैं चर्च के बाहर आती थी, वहाँ पे एक शॉप थी जिसमें डेफ एंड डम दो स्पेशली एबल्ड हस्बैंड वाइफ थे, उनकी एक शॉप थी और उनका छोटा सा बच्चा था, और वो दुकान चलाते थे जिसमें वो सारे ये क्रिसमस आइटम्स एंड ऑल दी स्मॉल मूर्तियां एंड की चेन, वो सब। क्रिसमस टाइम था, दिसंबर का, so I shopped a lot of things from them कि maybe they are needy, they were not needy, but that was my thought, कि इनकी मदद हो जाएगी। उन्होंने मुझे बोला एक्शन करके कि ऐसे ऐसे करके, उसके बगल में ही आगे जाके वहां पे एक हॉस्पिटल था फॉर स्पेशल चिल्ड्रन, फॉर ऑटिज्म चिल्ड्रन। तो उन्होंने मुझे ऐसे ऐसे बोला, तो मैं वहां भी चली गई, देखती हूँ क्या है। उसके छोटे बच्चे ने बोला, दिस हॉस्पिटल, व्हाई डोंट यू गो एंड डोनेट ओवर देयर? मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन मैं गई हूँ वहां पर, और मैं उस हॉस्पिटल गई, तो मैंने एक्चुअली, मे गॉड ब्लेस ऑल ऑफ देम, छोटे छोटे बच्चे इन पेन, मैं गई, मैंने वहां पर्ची कटा दी, डोनेट कर दिया, came back. Believe me, Dr. Anuj, I was there for 15 days. Every day I was going to that place. I don't know who was taking me. One day I took sweets, one day I took something, one day I just gave them money, one day and I kind of went and I gave. और उसके बाद मेरे को वापस आना था, मैं वापस आ गई। अगले साल मैं फिर गई उसी टाइम में, बिकॉज क्रिसमस फैमिली आई इन बैंगलोर, तो मैं दोबारा गई। अब मानेंगे नहीं, वो हॉस्पिटल वहां से हट गया, वो जो शॉप थी वहां पे शॉप ही नहीं है, शॉप ही नहीं है। मैं हर वहां पे
I so knew you were going to say this.
And
I just knew you were going to say this.
I don't know, there are so many, चर्च के बाद देखिए बहुत फूल वाले बैठे होते हैं, बैंगलोर में ये कल्चर है,
right.
And believe me, वहां पे कैंडल वाला नहीं था, मुझे रोज कैंडल खरीदने दूर तक जाना पड़ता था। वहां से मैं बॉक्स लेकर आती थी, और जब भी मैं बॉक्स लेके कैंडल आती थी चर्च के अंदर, तो मुझसे हर कोई मांग लेता था, ओ you have a candle, give it to us, give it to us। फिर मुझे रोज जाना पड़ता था वॉक करके दूर तक, और मैं वापस। So I did this, I think almost every day for 15, मतलब मैं ये किसी को बताती हूँ तो लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता, लोगों को तो ऑर्डिनरी बात लगती है, पर ये ऑर्डिनरी नहीं है।
It's not.
So now you tell me, my second question to you is, why was this happening to me?
This was happening to you क्योंकि एक तो उन्होंने, देखो, भगवान किसी भी रूप में, चाहे हिंदू धर्म में देख लीजिए, मुस्लिम धर्म में देख लीजिए, क्रिश्चियंस में देख लीजिए, किसी सिख धर्म में देख लीजिए, किसी में भी देख लीजिए आप, वो खुद उतर के नहीं आते, वो लोग खड़े करते हैं। मानते हो आप ये वाली बात? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि that family were divine beings. They were placed there especially for you because you needed that. आपने खुद बोला किसी शक्ति ने मेरी मदद करी, तो it was Mother Mary herself, क्योंकि देखो, Mother Mary थी, सेंट जोसेफ थे, और एक बच्चा था. Isn't that Trinity?
Yeah, I didn't realize that.
That's the Holy Family.
Oh, and you know what I bought from them?
What?
I bought a crib. I place it every day, like every time Christmas time.
इसलिए because your kid was in a difficult time and you needed to do that. और मदर मेरी से ज्यादा compassionate और कौन है? मदर मेरी के रूप में वहां पे आ गए because you were in Bangalore. Bangalore is a very very cosmopolitan. And rightly said, Bangalore में Mother Mary churches बहुत है, but down south, there are lots and lots of Mother Mary churches. Velankali के बहुत churches होते हैं, because there are different versions of Mary as well. So this one sounds like very like a compassionate version of her. I don't know which one it was, but definitely मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो divine beings they were placed there, they came there and they gave you what they had to do, because they didn't ask you for anything, even if when you were giving them they said we don't want it. I think this was a divine experience that you had. They were placed there, they were probably angels or divine beings or whatever. They came to guide you, और आपकी वो सेवा थी वहां जाकर के ऑटिज्म हॉस्पिटल में वो काम करना. उसके बाद जब आप सेकंड टाइम गई तो आपकी सेवा थी लोगों को कैंडल्स बांटना, कि मेरा काम हुआ है तो तुम्हारा भी हो. Now coming back to your first question, candles क्यों? I'm going to upset a lot of people when I answer this. Candles क्यों जलाते हैं? So Christianity, you have to understand, दो हैं, right? Protestants and Catholics. Catholics way of praying is very different. Protestant way of praying is very different. Protestants में भी कई हैं, Baptist, Methodist, CNI, बहुत सारे हैं, right? मैं कौन सा मैं I will not talk about that. But let me just say कि ये दो है major. At the risk of upsetting a lot of people, जब आप कैंडल जला रहे हो, isn't that witchcraft? What is witchcraft?
Yeah.
Energy manipulation? जब पहले मॉर्मन प्रीस्ट ने कैंडल जलाई थी, 17th century, 16th century की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, वो कैंडल जलाना ही एलिमेंट ऑफ फायर को कॉल करना था. And this is a very controversial statement जो मैं बोलने वाला हूँ, but this is strongly what I believe. Okay, Jesus was the Son of God. This is what I believe. This is what my faith has told me and taught me and everything. I believe in that. But what I also believe that he was the greatest healer of all times. क्योंकि उनसे बड़ा ना कोई हुआ है ना कोई होगा. जिंदों को मर्दों को जिंदा कर देना. अब अंधा था. He picked up the dirt from the earth, spat in it, mixed it, put it in his eyes, and he could see. Isn't that not elemental magic?
But it's beautiful.
I am looking at it.
Yeah.
I may be wrong. And the Christians are going to say blasphemy. But but this is my understanding. ये सोच के मेरा relationship with Jesus becomes और ज़्यादा strong. Because now I can put logic into it. मैं कोई भी धर्म, ritual, spell बिना logic के करता ही नहीं.
Dr. Anuj, tell us about this place, Salem. Why is it haunted? People say it's haunted. Why?
Salem is like Mecca for people like me, honestly speaking. क्योंकि जब slave trade हुई थी तो सबसे पहले वहाँ पे लोग लेके आए गए थे.
अच्छा.
And the lineage starts from this wonderful ancestor called Chuchuba. और वहां से सब हुआ. तो देखिए जब अफ्रीका का वुडू और यूरोप का कैथोलिसिज्म मिला, तो जब वो मिक्सचर हुआ तो उससे बहुत सारी चीजें पैदा हुई. हुडू निकला, न्यू ऑर्लिन्स वर्जन ऑफ वुडू निकला, बायू मैजिक निकला, स्वैम्प मैजिक निकला, रूट वर्क निकला, कॉन्जर वर्क निकला, बहुत सारी चीजें निकली. सेलम is also one of the places that I want to go. I haven't been that lucky that I haven't been there, but I want to go there. There's another reason, and the reason is the queen of voodoo, Marie Laveau. I absolutely adore that woman, and we believe that she's still alive. And when you go there, एक तो if you are आप इतने से भी spiritual अगर है ना, so the moment you enter Salem, Massachusetts, you will have that feeling of being watched. So they say it's Laveau herself watching over who's come to her town and everything, because it was her town. She was the thing. और एक बहुत फेमस उनका किस्सा है जो मैं मरी लबू की जब क्लासेस कराता हूँ तो उसमें मैं लोगों को बताता हूँ कि उस समय का जो मेयर था, मेयर का बेटा खून के इल्जाम में फंस गया. And he said that I will do anything and everything to save my child because I know for sure that he's not done it. But sare against the uske, all the proofs and everything and evidences and everything. So somebody suggested that if anybody can save your son, it's Marie Laveau. You have to go to her. So Marie Laveau said that I will do what I can, and she was a very, very influential woman at that time. But let me just pray and see कि वाकई में तेरे बेटे का कुछ involvement है या नहीं. And let me tell you another beautiful thing about Marie Laveau, that she was the only practicing witch at that time who was allowed to do her witchcraft inside a church.
Oh, wonderful.
That's how influential and powerful she was. So Marie Laveau, of course, she prayed and did her thing and everything, and then she said that इसने नहीं किया है, I will do whatever I can. Everything is up to God. You let the case go on like whatever it is happening. Now behind this scene, what we know is that रात में बैठ के उन्होंने अपना एक बहुत पेपर चिली वाला रिचुअल किया, बहुत फेमस उनका रिचुअल है. उसमें 7 hot peppers होती हैं. So you keep on praying and then you keep on chewing the pepper. And you keep crying and you're troubling in pain. So when you go as a healer, go through that pain for somebody else, the gods get hassled. That why are you giving so much trouble to yourself, my child? What happened? So that's exactly what happened with her. And when the God himself told her and the Spirit of the Lord spoke to her or whatever, she said that I want you to help me save this child because he's not done it. उसके बाद वो सारे इकट्ठे करते जाते हैं हम लोग वो साइड में ना चिली. फिर वो सब उन्होंने निकाला और एक प्लेट में रखा और रात में जज की टेबल के नीचे रख दिया उन्होंने. नेक्स्ट डे कोर्ट भरा हुआ है, सब कुछ खचाखच भरा हुआ है, सब जगह बात फैल गई थी कि कोई कोर्ट में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था बिकॉज एवरीबडी न्यू Marie Laveau आने वाली है. नाउ Marie Laveau was quite old at that time. She used to walk with a cane. वो जब अंदर आई ठक 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 की आवाज, पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस कहते हैं उस समय हो गया. और जज जब पूरा केस चला, सब कुछ चला और वो एंड में जज लोग बोलते नहीं है सो द फाइनल वर्ड इट इज दिस. जैसे ही उन्होंने ये बोला, ऑल Marie Laveau did was ठक.
Okay.
एक बार उन्होंने जमीन पे डंडा मारा and the judge looked at her and he said not guilty.
Oh.
That's all. And then before anybody could trouble her, she went out of the courtroom and went to her house. उससे पहले उसने जो मेयर था उसने ये कहा था कि अगर छूट जाएगा मेरा बेटा तो आपको क्या चाहिए फीस में. उसने कहा मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, जब मुझे चाहिए होगा तो मैं तुझसे मांग दूंगी. जब ये हो गया, बच्चा घर आ गया तो मेयर उनके पास गया, थैंक यू, आपको क्या चाहिए फीस में. उसने कहा अपने घर की चाबी दे दे. तो जो मेयर का घर है, that is the house of Laveau at the moment.
Oh.
You should go to Salem.
And what is so special about the graveyards over there?
The most haunted graveyards in the world. Because वहाँ because वहाँ burial नहीं होता. देखिए क्रिश्चियंस में क्या होता है, हम लोग दफन करते हैं मुसलमानों की तरह. So you put the loved one in a grave in a box casket and then you bury it. You can't do that in Salem because जब आप खोदते हो तो पानी आ जाता है.
अच्छा.
वाटर लेवल बहुत हाई है. तो वहाँ क्या करा जाता है, वहाँ एक वो बनाया जाता है पोडियम टाइप का, उसके ऊपर वो कास्केट रखते हैं and then they built like a small house, a hut kind of a thing around it. So जब कटरीना आती है, हरिकेन वगैरह आता है तो वो सब बाहर आ जाते हैं. So they say the dead is never at rest there. That's why it haunted.
The entire city.
The entire city. It is so magical.
Fucking scaring me, man.
No, it's my Makkah. I want to go there. I want to live in Massachusetts. Somebody is hearing out there. Let me manifest it into the universe. That somebody can, just make sure that I live in Massachusetts, Salem.
Wow.
I have so many friends there. The official witch of Salem is a very, very dear friend. And of course, Bloody Mary is there and, so Christian.
Okay.
He's there. There's so many amazing practitioners.
I'm sure. Okay, tell me something, Dr. Anuj, about the Labubu's. I guess you have all colors and you live with them and you practice everything. Let's hear.
See, Labubu is a doll. I don't know why. I like it. I have the entire collection. I love it. And I wear it in my bags like an accessory. A lot of people say that it's attached to a demon, but a lot of people... So this is somebody who... I was in Mussoorie.
Okay.
Trying to buy chai.
Okay.
And this woman came literally to my face and she said that, ये तो demon होते हैं. मैं कहा, हाँ जी दीदी, अब क्या करूं, ये जो information आपने मुझे दे दी है, मैं इसका क्या करूं? And I said, हाँ जी. And then she walked away.
Okay.
तो पता तो है नहीं आपको, आपने बोल दिया है. क्या है demon? कौन सा demon? So there is a demon
But क्या
called.
होते हैं ये
नहीं,
बताओ मुझे.
नहीं, it's a doll.
You
That
have
is
so
just
many here in the
designed.
studio also. You think they are
I
paranormal?
No,
But why is the
I
world
can
saying?
make them paranormal. I can make a
Are
spirit
you
possess
serious?
them.
Yeah.
I can make them move or whatever. But are they possessed like खुद से?
हाँ.
नहीं, it's a doll. It's an accessory.
Okay.
There's a demon called Pazuzu.
Okay.
So लोगों को लगता है Pazuzu है, लबूबू है, सेम है. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. तो मतलब मैं एक आदमी है, वो हेल में जा रहा है, चाबी से दरवाजा खोल रहा है, वहां से Pazuzu लेकर के आ रहा है और डॉलों में डाल रहा है. Is that what we're saying? I mean, like, really?
What is your one last word to all the communities out there?
What a wisdom. I don't think I am capable enough. I'm still learning. I'm a soul that I want to come back again, you know, and impart a lot of knowledge. Okay. I don't think I have any words of wisdom. The only word of wisdom I can say is be yourself, be your authentic self, do whatever the hell you want to, but be responsible. अगर जीत है तो आपकी है, अगर हार है तो आपकी है. जब आपकी हार होगी तो कंधे मत ढूंढो आप. इसकी वजह से हुआ, उसकी वजह से हुआ. जीत है तो आप अपने आप ही सेलिब्रेट करते हो ना, हाँ मैं जीत गया. तो हार है तो क्यों नहीं सेलिब्रेट कर रहे? जीत है तो आपकी है, हार है तो आपकी है. Be your authentic self and take onus. And to all the healers out there, just try and help people. Everything is not about money. When you help people, money will come to you. You manifest it into existence. You don't ask people for it.
Lovely. Okay, Dr. Anuj, because there are so many questions which are pending. One very important question I want to ask you. What are guiding angels? Are they spirits? And can we see a guiding angels?
You can see any angel or a guiding spirit if they want to be seen, to be honest with you. I remember when I got married, I saw Archangel Michael. Okay. And I saw him in a human manifestation form. He was very huge. I thought angels छोटे-छोटे होते हैं वो. तो वो जो छोटे-छोटे जो manifestation देते हैं, they're not really angels, they're cherubs. Okay. So there are many types of angels. बहुत हैं उनके, seraphims, cherubs. बहुत कुछ होता है. You know, there's an elaborate course that you can do on angels. Okay. But I saw Archangel Michael, and I saw him in a human manifestation form. And I was sleeping and I couldn't move. The presence was so heavy. I saw him come, and then he rubbed his hand on my hand, and then he went away. That's the only thing. And it was like perhaps like a 3-second thing. Okay. That's how I see it. But when I do angel invocation and I work with angels, I do feel, and I literally feel कि मेरे पीछे ना zup करके कोई चीज आई है. And then I know that they are there, and that's how I work with them.
I don't want to scare you because I know you won't get scared, but people watching this might get scared. But I hear a lot of whispers of angels telling me so many things, and I tend to ignore it. But I don't know what to do with it.
So let me share a tip with you and anyone who is listening. Okay, first of all, let me also tell you that एक और चीज इंटरनेट पे बहुत चल रही है आजकल, the ringing sound in the ear, and a lot of healers are saying that it can be angels or spirits talking to you and all. First of all, get it checked. Go to a doctor.
Yeah.
Get it checked. It just can be your ear also.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Second, if it is not an angel. It is an entity. An entity can be anything.
Okay.
अच्छी भी और खराब भी. So that before letting anything enter your aura or your safe space, you have to really investigate and understand कि वो चीज क्या है. Right? If an angel is talking to you, you will know that it is an angel talking to you. You will hear a lot of chimes. You will hear a lot of music. You will hear it's a happy feeling. You know, that's how angels are manifested. Or let me also put it out there, the angels are genderless. Male female नहीं होते हैं. Angel is an angel. हमारे बहुत सारे loved ones भी होते हैं जो angels बन जाते हैं, और कुछ loved ones ऐसे होते हैं जो आपके साथ रह जाते हैं, आपके guides बन के, spiritual guides बन के, वो guiding angels.
Can you see any spirit around me, like with me?
If I say your brother, will you get scared?
No, what is it to get scared?
That is exactly what I want you to think about. So he's the one who's sitting on your bed. He's the one that you see when you go to Lucknow, and he's the one that I met on the stairs when Kaika was coming down the basement.
Oh.
I wasn't lying.
Oh.
I don't
So
lie.
he was welcoming you?
मैं craft से झूठ नहीं बोलता.
Beautiful. I'm so glad I met you, honestly.
I'm so glad I met you.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Dr. Anuj. And I think ये बातचीत हमेशा होती रहे,
Yeah.
खत्म ही ना हो, इतनी खूबसूरत है, and hope to see you soon again. Thank you so
Lovely.
much.
Thank you so much for having me.
He's walked through the unseen, spoken to the spirits, and healed through pure energy. Dr. Anuj Elvis has turned ancient magic to modern wisdom, bridging the worlds of spirits and science together. From the mysteries of Wicca to the power of energy healing, his journey reshapes how we see reality. He isn't just a mystic or healer, he's a bridge between worlds. Step into the realm of magic, mysticism with Dr. Anuj Elvis, India's pioneer in Wicca, Reiki, Hoodoo, and Shadow.